Who need the full content of the weekly horoscope? May I say that anybody and all those people who have important meetings, events, important dates are coming in this coming week, where you are making important decisions, choices, and dealing with important matters. Anybody who have situation like that does need full content of weekly horoscope. But in the preview, we share only one part, conclusion, out of the 5 parts. Like a transit represent environment of the week. Conclusion represent your actions and conduct. Tasks represent how you can balance your astrological equation. Precaution represent your defense strategy. Chanting represent your boost, how you can spiritually boost yourself. All these contents are in the premium content, which you can buy from the website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report and implement the report, because our horoscope report are applied horoscope. There is no only prediction, but there are task, precaution, chanting are 3 factors. You can implement it and you can balance your astrological equation from worst to best. Choice is yours. These are applied horoscope reports. If you are looking for and you want to sort it out, what you waiting for? Go and join the website and go for the weekly horoscope report. If you have this coming week something very important where you think you need support, then you can implement the whole report for this coming week. Aquarius, weekly brief forecast. Week commencing 29th November till 5th December. Aquarius. Aquarius in this coming week, due to Sun, Mercury, Ketu push in 10th house. Watch your professional decision, watch your professional choices. Professionally you can fluctuate. Rahu's position in 4th house. Sometimes focus concentration can be here and there. Stop winding up yourself. Saturn position in 12th house. Watch your expenditure, watch your debts. Moon position in 8th house. Sometimes energy can fluctuate. Try to be more practical than emotional. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which will give you complete analysis of the whole week, like moon's transit effect that will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report will define you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in this coming week to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Aquarius weekly conclusion for this coming week. In this coming week, you will gain of wealth. There will be rise in your professional status. There will be general progression in your undertaking. Authorities will be supportive toward you. There will be comfort in you and luxuries and lifestyle. You dominate over your opponent. The decision taken by you will be wise. Result will be in success. Your desire will be fulfilled. Business will be productive. Association with your friends are profitable. Vehicle and wealth are favorable. You will fulfill your desires. You may have a rise in your status, prestige and honor. You gain in wealth. Election, or may I say not election, profession will be rising. You'll get enhancement. You'll be inclined to perform a lot of good deeds and you'll be quite busy. Business will provide you earnings and gain from your craft, performances, knowledgeability, skill sets. Journeys will be gainful. Status will be enhanced. You'll enjoy associating with a lot of new professional friends. And those people will be good. And there will be expenditure, but be prepared.